Here's the repeated text as requested. If you're looking for a budget-friendly yet feature-packed option, this GMAIPOP 1080p Wi-Fi dual-camera dashcam might just be what you need. Let me show you how it works and what makes it stand out. But before we dive in, check out the link in the description to grab this product at the best price on AliExpress. Built-in Wi-Fi. One of the most useful features is the built-in Wi-Fi. With the dedicated app for Android and iOS, you can easily connect your phone to the dashcam. And it's not just for viewing. You can download, playback, and even share your recordings directly from your phone. No need to remove the memory card or deal with cables. Easy Wi-Fi setup. If you're wondering how to set it up, it's actually pretty simple. Just press and hold the M menu button for a few seconds, and the settings menu will pop up. From there, find the Wi-Fi and app setting, turn it on, and scan the QR code displayed on the screen to download the app. Once that's done, connect your phone to the dashcam's Wi-Fi, and you're good to go. Still 1080p high definition. Video quality matters, and this dashcam delivers full HD 1080p recording. This means you get crisp and clear footage, making it easier to read license plates, road signs, or other details that could be crucial in an accident. And because, let's be honest, blurry footage won't help anyone. Night vision. Driving at night? No problem. This dashcam comes equipped with IR night vision, allowing it to capture clear footage even in low-light conditions. That means whether you're in a dark parking lot or driving down a dimly lit road, your recordings remain sharp. Wide-angle lens. A major downside of some dashcams is a limited field of view. This one, however, features a wide-angle lens that captures more of the road ahead. It helps cover blind spots and provides a broader perspective, which can be crucial for safety. Dual lens design. Another great feature? The dual lens design. This means the camera records both the road ahead and the inside of your vehicle. If you're a rideshare driver or just want extra security while driving, this is a must-have. You get a full record of what's happening outside and inside your car at all times. Features you may be looking for. Built-in Wi-Fi, 1080p Full HD recording, IR night vision, wide-angle lens, dual lens design. Final opinion. So, is this dashcam worth it? Absolutely. If you want a budget-friendly dashcam with full HD recording, night vision, and an easy-to-use Wi-Fi connection, this is a solid choice. Of course, no product is perfect. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this review helpful, show some love by hitting that like button, subscribing, and ringing the notification bell.